Hello everyone. This is the latest CNC rotary flanging punching machine, produced by our company. The rotary flanging punching machine has obvious advantages over traditional flanging equipment. The flanging mold is simple, saving equipment cost. Replacing the mold, CNC control, saving debugging time. The system has a molding preservation function, eliminating the waste of the first piece. The diameter range can be customized according to customer needs, greatly increasing the utilization rate of the equipment. The equipment has rich functional configurations: external flanging, internal flanging, punching, bell mouth, etc. Welcome new and old customers to consult and customize.